In today's video, I'm going to teach you essential Microsoft Word table formatting hacks to improve aesthetics, efficiency, and functionality. If you work with tables in Word, these tips will help you make them look polished, speed up common tasks, and unlock a few features you might not know about. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with quick aesthetic upgrades. Click inside any table to reveal the Table Design tab, then browse the Table Styles gallery. These pre-built styles apply professional formatting in one click, including banded rows or columns and accent colors, so your table looks consistent across the document. If you prefer a clean, minimalist layout, try removing all borders in Table Design, choose Borders, then No Border. While editing, turn on View Grid Lines from the Layout tab so you can still see the structure. Grid lines are just a guide and won't print. Give your content breathing room by adjusting cell margins. Right-click the table, choose Table Properties, open the Cell tab, and select Options. Increasing the top and bottom or left and right margins makes text feel less cramped and easier to read. For balance, consider centering text vertically. Select your cells, then in Table Tools under Layout, choose Align Center to position text in the middle of each cell. Now for speed. To add a new row fast, place your cursor in the last cell and press Tab. Need a quick table from scratch? Type a pattern like plus signs and hyphens, for example plus 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 plus. Then press Enter to instantly create a simple grid you can refine later. If your columns feel too tight or too wide, click the table, go to Layout, choose AutoFit, and select AutoFit Contents so columns adjust to the text. For structural tweaks, the Draw Table and Eraser tools under Layout are surprisingly efficient. Draw lines to split cells or erase lines to merge them. And when your table spans multiple pages, select the header row, go to Layout, and click Repeat Header Rows to keep headings visible on every page. For advanced functionality, prevent awkward page breaks by right-clicking the table, choosing Table Properties, opening the Row tab, and unchecking Allow Row to break across pages. You can also perform simple calculations right inside the table. Place your cursor where you want the result, go to Layout, click Formula, and use functions like Sum, Above, to total numbers in the column. Finally, if your data starts as plain text, convert it into a table from Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table, choosing tabs or commas as separators. And when you're done, you can convert a table back to clean text from Layout, Data, Convert to Text. Try these in your next document and watch your tables transform. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.